Hello friends, welcome back to machine learning tutorial. In this video, we are going to discuss about missing values and how to handle the steps we are going to discuss as a cheat sheet method. In real time data cleaning, we have to handle the missing values in a lot of the places. Unfortunately, we don't have any proper cheat sheet to handle it. So in this video, we are going to discuss entirely the proper way. If suppose the data comes, how we can handle via missing values. That is, we are going to discuss today. In missing values, we can follow a step with a deletion and what kind of criteria we can delete the entire record or particular record, that is we are going to discuss now. First is row-based data deletion. In this method, we can follow something is called pairwise, which means only the missing places we can delete it based on the correlations with other features. How we can identify this pairwise deletion? That we can validate with MCAR and MAR method, which means missing completely at random and missing at random. If this criteria is met properly, we can delete this pairwise deletions. Or another one is list-wise deletion, which means entire row of data deletion. This is we can commonly do that via using drop NA functions to delete the entire row. And column based deletion, we have to follow few metrics. That is, we just want to check if the data is more than 80% of data is missing in the same column and it is not a part of MNOR, missing not at random, which means there is few correlations with this data will be available. If the correlation is available but also 80% data is missing, then we cannot delete that column based. We have to update the value with respect to correlation method. Only if it is a MNOR, then only we can delete entire columns. Another method is importation. How we can replace or update the value into the particular places using this importations. In importation, commonly we can using few metrics. First, if it is a non-time series of data, then directly we can feed the value as a constant to that particular places. Or we can validate and applying based on the distributions with mean, median and mode method. And another method is time series based. If data is a time series relevance, then we can use this option as forward fill and backward fill. You can apply any one of this for this if it is a time series data. If this case anything is not possible, then we can go with another one way is interpolation. In interpolation, we can validate the particular value we can update based on some model based. Majorly in real time, they are using based on the k nearest neighbor or linear regression method. It depends on the data, how the data correlation is available, we can validate and then we can choose this model based interpolations. In upcoming video, we are going to see everything is one by one with a real time example. Thanks to watching this video. Please provide your valuable feedback to improve our video quality and interested topics in comment. We will work it out and make some video as your interest.